Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm going to make a real easy sandwich spread with ham. I'm going to grind up the ham and chop up some veggies, throw it all together, and it's going to turn out to be such an awesome sandwich spread for the holiday weekend. You know, in case somebody don't want to eat this or that, they've got the sandwich spread to eat on the side. Well, let me bring you a little closer and show you how I'm doing this. I'm trying to make sure you can see everything pretty good. So, all right, I've got my Power Pro Chef, and I've got my Fusion base with the grinder attachment on. So let's get this set up. I've got a ham that I got for $2 and some odd cents. I know, right? Can't beat daily deals. So I'm going to start off with just a little bit of it to see how much, because I don't want to make up a whole bunch. So I'm just going to dice this up, make it easier to go into my grinder. So that there. In here, I'm going to take off the guard because this blade is so sharp. This all comes with your kit if you join our team. I love this. Now with the celery, I'm just going to keep some of the leaves on, not all of them. And just cut them up to where they're chopped up nice. Put that in there. Willie's going to eat the one that fell on the floor. I've got just a normal sweet Vandalia onion. Let's chop that up. You don't have to do as much chopping as I'm doing. I just like to do it because it makes it easier when I go to chop it up. Okay. Now we just put the lid on like so. This is how easy it is. The first pull is a little hard. Perfect. That's the chop I want right there. Nice, perfect. Oh, it smells wonderful. Okay, so this can go out of the way for a minute. Okay, so the grinder, the base can't have no moisture on there whatsoever because it will not stick. Now this is a Fusion base. There's so many attachments that come with this. With the grinder, I've got so it comes with this little piece here and a little tube. You put that in, and then you set your little blade on. Now you can do, set this down. Inside the lid I have, this is for making sausage. You can do a real fine grind or a bigger grind. I'm going to stick with the bigger grind first and see how that works. Okay, so let's put that on. Oops, it goes just like this. So, you make that tight, just like so. Okay. So we're going to slide this right onto that base, and I'm going to take the handle and just, the handle goes right on like this. You hang on to that, and then it just turns, and that's how easy that is to hook that up. Alright. Then we lock the base. Make sure that base is good and locked. We get our awesome bowl. I bring you a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So we just take a piece of the ham, or two. And this is your presser. Just turn. Look at how nice that grinds your ham. It's not that hard. I'm making this up for my brother too, because he loves this and he hasn't had it since my mother's been gone. Okay, oh, it smells wonderful, so let's put some more in there. And it's making that noise because it's dry. So. And I'm grinding it in there for... Okay. Let me finish up the rest of this and then I'll be back to put it together. I went and got a bigger bowl. This is a 12-cup bowl. And the That's a bowls are on sale. Buy one set, get one free. So let's add a little bit of the ham. Okay, let's put all the ham in there. Let's be real, it's gonna work that way. I'm gonna put just a little bit of this in there to start. No, I think it'll be good. Let's add all of the celery and onion. I was debating on adding pickle. I think I'm going to. Let's chop up a pickle real quick. Let's do two. That one looks funky. These are dill pickles. I love my little keeper there. Alright, where's my lid? Let me back you up a little. There, so you're not right on top of me. Sure, perfect. Looks good. Those are called Piccadillies, by the way, that my pickles are in. I buy them in the store and they come in a big plastic container in the refrigerator section. Well, their plastic isn't BPA free, so I just take them right out, put them in my Piccadilly, and call it good. Alright. I got some block of cream cheese I'm going to soften in the microwave for a minute. Not a minute, but you know, just to soften. While that's going on, let's season this up a little. I got a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of chopped chives. And then I've got some white pepper. So in the bowl that I put the ham in, I'm going to add the cream cheese. That's one whole block. And I got a little bit of this ranch veggie dip. I'm going to take probably about 2 good tablespoons maybe of it in there. I use this for everything. I love it, especially my salads. And then I got a little bit of real mayo. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of that. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. Okay. I'm gonna blend this up really good. Now what would be really good in here would be like a splash of sriracha, or even a chopped up jalapeno if you like it spicy. Wouldn't that be good? Okay, so now I'm going to take this and pour it in over the top. Okay, now we're just going to stir it in. Your ham's nicely coated. Now let's take a taste bite. Okay. Wow, that's really good. That is so good. I'm gonna let it set. I'm gonna put it in a smaller bowl, put it back in the smaller bowl, let it airtight, and let it sit in the fridge. And then when husband gets home, we'll probably have sandwiches tonight. And then when the kids are here, if they want to have a sandwich, if they don't want to have what we're grilling or whatever, they've got this for the weekend. All right, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. And as always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.